What up, y'all? Oh my gosh, I'm back. It's your homeboy Justin. Okay, first off, sorry it's been like 4 months. I've just been really busy and tired. Actually, no, real story, real talk. So all my other videos that I've been shooting were with an iPhone 4S. It just got really bad and really slow and it wouldn't record, it would break. I upgraded my phone, got me an iPhone 6S Plus so that we can shoot in 4K if need be, but that's a little bit too much file size. We don't need to shoot in 4K. But I'm back. Anyway, today's dreadlock tutorial is basically just an extension off of the 2-strand twist. They don't even know that but we're kind of just doing a man bun today. So if your dreadlocks are anywhere between the medium length and longer, this is for you, so stay tuned. Like you know me, but you never will. So watch this. There's one thing that I know for sure. I'll show you. So what you guys are gonna want to do first, 2-strand twist all of your dreadlocks. There's a video in the description box, and also I will annotate it here. Bloop, there it is. What's up? How you doing up in here? All right, so yes, so click on that, watch that. If you don't know how to do 2-strand twist, you will do that to all of your head. That's your first step. Then you're gonna take a little hair tie, ribbon tie, or whichever type of hair tie you can find or use. Because you're going to want to carefully pull your hair to the middle, and then you're gonna want to also grab the locks from the back. You want to work from the center of your head down, so that way you can make sure you get everything nice and neat. So you're gonna pull your hair up. So you will now have all of your hair up. And I'm gonna work you now what you're going to want to do is use that hair tie. Get all of the hair. Now, like what's happening with me, you may not get it all in the first try, which is cool. Do what you can to make sure that you can get all of your hair in there. And the thing with the top knot is that you want to be more towards the top of your head. Probably why they call it a top knot. And so you're gonna want it to be a little bit more forward than just the back, like a little bit more in front of the crown of your head is where you want it to be. Okay, so finally got our hair in the spot we want it to be. Make sure the back is nice and flat. Good, all right, step one, that took a lot longer than I wanted it to. Okay, after you've done that, you're going to want to basically use your kind of coolio lock spider that you got on your top of your head, and you're just gonna take the locks and you're just gonna wrap it around the hair tie. So you take your lock, wrap it around, and then you're gonna take the next one and you're just kind of doing a braid, like so you have this one right here, go down, take this next one, just kind of wrap around there. And you're gonna just do that all over your head. So you're just kind of taking longer locks, finding them as you go around your head, and you're just gonna do that all the way around so you cover up the rubber band. What are these things called? Use hairpins as needed, obviously, to keep the hair taut. Or to keep hair in. Oh God, I have issues. Should use that hair. I'll show you. There we go. And then for the top of your head, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to just kind of take the ends of your 2-strand twists and kind of just tuck them into the bun so you can kind of conceal the ends and make a little bit more of a bun type of thing. There's no really big rhyme or reason or anything like that, and you just do that until you get the shape you want. When the pressure's coming down like lightning, it's like you that's it, guys. 2-strand twisted dreadlock top knot man bun. Well, really, it's a bun. Really, I don't know why we have to put the man in front of it. Like, why does it have to be gendered? Why can't it just be a bun? Anyway, it's just gonna be a bun. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe somewhere up in this vicinity of the video or somewhere on the page. There's a subscribe button. Hit it. There will be more stuff coming your way now that we are back and running with new camera and just awesomeness. So yeah, let me know if you guys like this video. And since, you know, Christmas is like a few days away, like literally 2 days away, let me know what you guys want for Christmas, or if this is after Christmas, comment and let me know if you got what you wanted for Christmas. And I guess that's it. Well, I guess I will see you guys a lot more sooner now. So until next time, peace and blessings. Happy Kwanzaa, Merry Christmas, Happy Eid. What else? Happy Hanukkah. Happy holidays, everyone. So bye. Peace.